What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw Hamster Kombat money and sell Hamster Kombat coins. Well, for that, as you guys can see, I have opened up my Telegram, and in my Telegram I have this Hamster Kombat right here. Now currently in Hamster Kombat, you can see if I go to airdrop and then go to withdrawal, I have connected my wallet. You just have to do that so that whenever the Hamster Kombat coins are listed, you will be able to withdraw it. Yes, you heard it right. Hamster Kombat coins are not yet listed, which means there is no real value of these coins, nor you can use it or sell it. So once the coins are listed, you just have to make sure to connect any of the wallet according to you. Now after connecting the wallet, suppose you connect your Tone Keeper, you just have to open up your Tone Keeper and you will have some of the value right here. Once you have that, you will easily be able to go to buy and sell section and then simply go to this sell section. You'll be able to do it right here. Swap it with any other cryptocurrency, or you can go to the sell and sell the Tone coins that you have. Currently in my case, I do not have any, and because the Tone coins are not listed and you cannot sell it. Once they are done, you'll be able to do it using this method.